Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Air Smart Capture, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI has put Smart Capture on the DJI Mavic Air, and a lot of people refer to it as the hand gesture mode. So let's dive into it and see how it works. Okay, we're going to try Smart Capture, or otherwise known as hand gestures here. Let's give it a twirl.
Take off.
We got ignition.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Detected me. It's flashing green. We're going to move it slowly over to the left. Slowly over to the right. Now we're going to move it in this direction. Now I'm going to spread my hands apart and it should go backwards. And it's going backwards. Now I'm going to bring them together. It should go forward. Now I'm going to land the Mavic. There. Try this again here. Let's move it over a little more this way. Come on, Mavic. There you go. Okay. Before we land, I'm going to try. We should have just taken a picture of me, but I did see some red here, so hopefully that works. Now we're going to try. That should be shooting video of me right now. Hope so. Hi! Just back it up. Now we're going to stop it. And I just heard the ding, so that should have stopped it. So that was good. Now we're going to do a little bit of follow me. See if that works. Don't really have it set for that. So. Alright, let's see if we can get it to land.
Landing.
All right, we successfully got it to land, so that was a great flight there. So pretty much we did everything with that. We did, we got it to take off, we got it to track, we got it to go backwards, got it to go forwards. Wow, I cannot tell you. In comparison to the learning curve with the Spark, when the Spark first came out, this was so much easier. It recognized my hand right away. It did everything I asked it to do. I didn't quite get to the follow me part, but I was very impressed with that. They've upgraded the software incredibly in this, and it's just fantastic. I just can't say enough about this. Again, a shout out to Florida Drone Supply and Janelle. Thank you again so much for this awesome opportunity to test the DJI Mavic Air and put it through its paces. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And also a big thank you to my wife, Valerie, who was able to help me get some of these shots today. It wasn't going to work with just a tripod, so I had her come out with me and got some great footage here. I hope you all enjoy it. If you like the content from today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Thank you all so much for the wonderful comments that you've made. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're at 1,000 subscribers. We're continuing to grow. Please pass the word out about Bill the Drone Reviewer. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook